Anyways, things happen, either good or bad. Hey, so like my attention have been drawn to this video that is flying online right now about my relationship that I don't even know how to say it, but as bad or as good as it is, I've had my own share of love, the bitter, the good side of it and all that. So the video everybody's talking about, the video of me doing all the expenses that I did for a girl. Well, I believe first thing first, it's something I know I can do for somebody I claim to love.
My country people, Mona not worry, I will put the full video for now. Mona watch am. I laugh as they sweet us, they pay Alex. Alex don't come out, don't come reply with your line in-laws. Not be small matter. Shebu na remember the video when I post day before yesterday, Abi. Now Alex come and come reply because the video they fly up and down for social media. My country people, when I put that video, some people come my comment section, cause they say na prank. Shebu na don't see and say na papa don't come and don't come reply us, Abi. He don't come let us know say na real. So Alex, you feel spend money for woman like this. You feel spend for money for woman, the woman will later disappoint you and you go let the woman go like that. You not drag, you not even hear her come out. If you not be saying na God when he expose you. God of karma when he expose you, we for not even know what they happen, Abi. My country people, this one the gas is bio. This one a cup of tea. Yeah, my people not don't see her. Let's don't come out to come let us know say see what happen between him and his best friend though. Say the girl when be say him bring come for village, say he be one marry her. He take care of the girl, he spend money put for the girl. He come propose to the girl come say okay, he don't accept. But later the girl come see, he tell her say want travel. In a person when be say he they give freedom to anybody when be say he won't do anything. He just let the girl they do anything when be say he like. He can go anywhere, it's free. So now the girl na can go, he can still go they follow his best friend. Now later when be say his best friend can tell her say he won't marry, he can tell her say I make sure the girl picture when be say he won't marry, so that he will still know her. Now he can tell her say now your girlfriend when be say propose to. Now he best friend wants to marry, so my country people. So now kata te boss oh. So let's keep this thing for inside. He keep her. But he say no will come out. Now see her. Not the way person they do hide for this life oh. Let's hide the own. He come they drag Mary up and down. They tell Mary say Mary come chop your brother money. Mary come because of property. Nah. You know they let Mary they drink water they drug cup. So they push joy put for the relationship when be say he won't go use at spoil Mary own. By first marriage. Una see the way let's say they jump follow lemon marriage like say tomorrow no they forget you you know if you settle in you but if they jump follow lemon on now only few days now they have to drag Alex now when Alex come out come begin to the reply all your social media bloggers say that wetin happen he accept her now wetin if he do now he be that one when be say he do for that girl and he stand una see her. Lemon when they drag for many years now. Lemon never come out one they say he won't come reply bloggers. Lemon when be say everybody they use up and down. They use everything about Lemon they use that for social media. He never come out one day. But Alex won't come out. Come reply. My people, if you now listen to what Alex they vomit, what they talk, they come out. Now really no say Alex it dies. Now breeze. If you push it will your fall. It will your fall. My country people, Mona come here to you. I don't believe say Alex go come out, come accept, say na true, say wetin true happen. That day I was thinking that person writer say na prank. I can't say na prank. You know see I say Alex don't come accept, say no be prank, say na real. Say he don't tell he even surprise say when he friend take bring that picture come and say na his girlfriend na he won't marry. Now he make him invite that girl. Make the true call the girl. Make they ask the girl whether na truth my country people. Shebi una don't see her.
Hey, so like my attention has been drawn to this video that is flying online right now about my relationship that I don't even know how to say, but as bad or as good as it is, you know, I've had my own share of love, the bitter, the good side of it and all that. So the video everybody's talking about, the video of me doing all the expenses that I did for a girl. Well, I believe first thing first, it's something I know I can do for somebody I claim to love. Bad or good as it is, anyways, things happen, you know, either good or bad. Things really do happen, you know. I didn't want to bring it up online until this video started flying, so that's why I'm out here to talk about it today. Yeah, it's not my fault that it didn't really happen the way I wanted it to, you know. Yeah, it's really hurting. Like when you look at somebody, you feel, okay, this person, I can actually spend the rest of my life with this person and build things with the person. But at a long run, you make disappointment, which is bound to happen. You know, I did everything every person should do for someone you claim you love. You know, I'm not coming here to start saying the things I know. I don't do that. But all I know is that I tried my best in standing in for her. Now, to me, I accept whatever happens. Like, it is better that it happens now than maybe in the near future. You know? To be sure enough, this guy is my friend. He's not even in Lagos. He always comes to Lagos to maybe buy market, or, you know, when he wants to visit. You know. And we've been good friends. Not until this incident, like, okay, he came and said, okay, guys, I want to get married. I said, okay, fine, I'm ready. What? Then my guy, you be now, go support you. I didn't really know that. That's why they say we couldn't fear women, shall. You know, like somebody who is free, because one, I like anybody I'm going out with, I like the person being free. Like, be free to do your thing. I don't monitor you. Like, I do not really have the time to come and start following you about or knowing the things that you're doing. You know? So, I didn't know that while I was giving her free hands to do whatever she wants to do, she was actually doing the other way around. You know, not until this guy came up. And it happened the way it did. But one thing I would say is a broken relationship is more better than a broken marriage. Yes, why did I say so? If it doesn't happen now, or maybe in the near future, or maybe at the end I decided, okay, fine, let me end up with her, or get married to her, it will be a pain. It will be more painful to me having her in my house, finding out that she's running this kind of thing outside. So I'm not even after what she did to me. I'm not even after the things I've done for her, which is a very normal thing that anybody can do. You know? Even during the course of relationship, anybody can contribute to anybody's growth. The lady, it could be the lady or it could be the guy. Anybody can help anybody. You know, so I'm not out here to come and start saying, okay. Why I said that in that video was because I felt I was really doing enough for her. Because I don't see a reason why she would that's when I contacted. So when my guy said, okay, that he's getting married, I said, fine. I said, okay. I said, okay, fine. Let me see the person you want to get married to. You know, he brought it and showed it to me. And I said, oh, guy, this is not the same person we me and the plan to get married to. You know. So along the way, we started talking and everything got the way it got between us. So I had to just call the lady I invited. I said, okay, let me reach out to her. Let's just know how this is going to play out. So for front, there, make she talk calm. You know, it would have been preferable to me to say she come outside, choose either of us, maybe choose my guy or something, or maybe me or anybody. That one will pay, but for the first thing she come and deny the both of us. Wow.